is a new wave in manufacturing. We need to train our students to the cutting edge. That's why we created this lab. This is a microcosm of the factory of the future.
This is the Festo Cyber Physical Factory Lab, or we call it Cyber Physical Manufacturing Lab. This is a model factory for Industry 4.0 training and education. It models an actual production system. The hardware, the software, the technology, everything is industry grade. All of these are cutting edge manufacturing technologies that are currently being used in advanced manufacturing environments.
What this actually does is give students the freedom to kind of express how they want to run an entire assembly line and design a product from start to finish. It gives them like a broad spectrum of how to observe manufacturing processes and improve them.
Everything that you see here is controlled using a manufacturing execution system, which is an overarching software that allows you to keep track of every single sensor status, actuators, machine status, and also keep track of every individual product.
Students who are doing research in Internet of Things, intelligent manufacturing, in robotics, mechatronics, human-machine communication, collaboration with robots, all these will be benefits for both education and research.
This lab prepares our students for their co-op and internship programs. They gain hands-on experience on a lot of interesting, exciting, and advanced manufacturing topics that I mentioned.
Our students will benefit and will be familiar with all these technologies when they get a job in manufacturing.
The best part of this lab is making the students realize that manufacturing is not what they would have imagined. You contribute the human intelligence and the machines do the hard work.
I'm an industrial engineer, and we always say that, you know, when you take us to factories, you feel like a kid in the candy shop. So this is our candy shop.